flows on the summer breeze. Echoes of rivers, timeless and free. Nature's song in endless reprise. Footsteps of dawn on dew-kissed grass. Birds in the morning watch the night pass. Chirps and rustles, shadows that dance. Every moment a second chance. Close your eyes, hear the earth sing. Burgundy in every living thing. Silent symphony under the sky. Nature's voice never says goodbye. Raindrops tapping on a window pane. Thunder rolling through the open plain. Whispers of leaves when autumn calls. Nature's stories etched in the walls. Crickets serenade moonlight strolls. Waves crashing on eternal shoals. Every creature, great and small, plays their part in nature's ball. Close your eyes, hear the earth sing. Burgundy in every living thing. Silent symphony under the sky. Nature's voice never says goodbye. Close your eyes, hear the earth sing. Harmony in every living thing. Silent symphony under the sky. Nature's voice never says goodbye.